On next news, 6 orangutans are now back in the wild in East Kalimantan. They had previously undergone rehabilitation at the Samboja Lestari Rehabilitation Center, with one of them having spent nearly 2 decades there.
6 orangutans are now back in the wild after undergoing rehabilitation. They were released on Tuesday with Forestry Minister Raja Juli Antoni in attendance. The 3 pairs were rehabilitated at the Samboja Lestari Reserve, run by the Borneo Orangutan Survival Foundation. Authorities said they will continue monitoring the individuals post-release. One will also receive specialized surveillance due to concerns over long-term rehabilitation process. In his remarks, Raja vowed to tighten forestry regulation to prevent habitat loss, the primary threat to orangutans, though he said he will not undermine economic activities and community livelihood.
Kita harus ketat dalam pelepasan kawasan. Ada norma-norma yang harus kita ikuti. Tadi saya katakan pembangunan itu memang tidak boleh henti karena itu terkait dengan kesejahteraan masyarakat. Itu tentu terkait juga dengan pertumbuhan ekonomi yang memang diperlukan oleh bangsa ini. Tapi saat bersamaan kita juga harus memastikan alam harus lestari. Alam harus lestari. Karena itulah pemberian Tuhan kepada kita bersama. Jadi kita harus jaga bersama-sama.
The primate's new home is the KJ7 in East Kutai. They spent 12 hours on the road to arrive at the location. The 6 individuals were victims of human-wildlife conflict in the region. Their rehabilitation periods ranged from as short as 1 month to as long as over 2 decades.
Yang kita dapat dari masyarakat, dan tadi ada yang saya sebut akan ditetapkan Pak Menteri, itu adalah hasil rescue ketika terjadi konflik orangutan di daerah Kutai Timur, di daerah Tambak. Tapi waktu kita rescue harusnya langsung dikirim ke hutan. Tapi karena dia sangat kurus, jadi ketika kita takut kalau kita kirim ke hutan, justru dia belum punya kemampuan bertahan.
At least 350 individuals are undergoing rehabilitation under the foundation right now. They are housed at 2 facilities in East and Central Kalimantan. 100 individuals deemed unfit for release into the wild have been relocated to an artificial island. Z Today contributor reporting from East Kutai, East Kalimantan.